Alright guys, so we came over here, sorry for the wind. We're gonna get into a 16-car shootout. What was supposed to be a 16-car shootout, a street tire, DOT tire. Only 13 cars made it, 3 cars messed up, one of them broke down here as we found out there was a diff issue, but we're gonna go to get it cracking and see what happens. Now I'm gonna go to switch over to my phone and we can get better coverage. EG for the win. Hell yeah, baby! J Series. EG hat. EG hatch. Went around, EG hatch, sedan. Sedan got it. Hatch. Hell yeah! EG Hatch got it! EG Hatch got it! Now we got Bakersfield versus Bakersfield. J Series Nitrous, K Series Nitrous. Bako Crime. I'm going to be calling in now, even from the beginning, that J Series EG is going to take it. Every time he comes down this way, he takes the dub. Messed up or not, he sends it. What'd you say? What'd you say?
My shit don't beat Chris, so Facebook Marketplace, dog, card out. I'll buy it.
Hatch. EG Hatch took it. A Series Coffee Belt EG versus Jacob with the J Series Nitrous. Both nitrous cars. 1H, 1J. Let's see who takes it. My money's still on the homie. Stock J Series on stock injectors on 91 fuel, nitrous. Not tuned, street tuned only. J Series Integra. The homie Chris, J Series Nitrous, another one. Boosted B Series. My money's on my boy. Right hand drive also. J Series. I said it. Bakersfield's gonna take it. Between two Bakersfield, they're gonna split it, or they're gonna go at it.
More people deep should be even. You know what I mean? Hey, especially against Green Goblin. Oh, I thought he was driving in reversal. Bakersfield guys, man.
Splitting the pot both ways.
Come on, LA.
They're still gonna run it though.
Hey,
homeboy here needs to take a vacation.
It's all somebody help.
Nice to spectate sometimes too, bro.
Always doing some MacGyver shit.
The station brake got its own fluid.
He has no clutch fluid. And pulling it out of the brake reservoir.
Make it work, yo. Make it work. Yeah, they flew handbrakes. Yeah.